So here, this is our website, bookyourproperties.com. So how to set up Bing Webmaster tool on your particular website. The Bing Webmaster main reason is called to index your website by the Yahoo and Bing search engine purpose. Bing Webmaster will be supported by two search engine, Bing and Yahoo, and relevant search engine also. So how to set up? This is called two process. With a plugin, without plugin. Without plugin, we can download by XML file. With a plugin, we can add the XML tag. Bing will be dependent by the external Markov language, is XML. Google will dependent by the HTML. So first you can select by your website URL. Select option call is Bing Webmaster. How to log in Bing Webmaster? This is supported by the three options. Microsoft Mail, like Live, Hotmail, Outlook. Second one will be Google login. Third will be Facebook login. Your wish, anything you can log in your wish. Select your sign in. I'm signing in with Google. I can add my Gmail. I can add it with my Gmail. Select it. And without XML sitemap, don't upload by the Bing Webmaster tool. It's a famous one and a very important point. Without XML sitemap, don't upload by the Bing Webmaster. So we can copy this URL. So where you can submit your XML sitemap, your question. After click for add, is asking for XML sitemap. So add your sitemap, sitemap.xml. So your reporting time, all days or particular timings. So my report always particular all days and default. So add your information, everything. So you can write it here. I'm writing for every information. Done. Here two are type of verification. One is download file. Second will be XML tag. This will be using without plugin. This will be using with the plugin. So in a plugin time, just add your this tag, not total completely. Only for this tag. Copy. So select your notepad. Copy. Simple, go to your WordPress dashboard. The option called All-in-One SEO. Before that, you can download this one also. XML file. Okay. Now, I'll show you two process. Let me explain. So each verify separate entity. If you download this one, here you can verify. If you're using this meta tag, you can verify. After that, we will show you for DNS providers. Also will be here. Who will be provide your DNS? Provided by your based on your options. Clear? So each verification will be separate verification. Each Google Webmaster will be given by the separate Webmaster by the Bing Webmaster tool. So I'm using for download where I'm go to cPanel, File Manager. Yes, some drawback is problem. Just click for public_HTML. Download your file. Select your file. Bing authentication is done. So it's called replace. Means any other file is old file is there, you can call replace. Yes. Now, for that, the file will be uploaded. Here click for verify. Once verify this option, this tag will be not verified. Why? Other verification is done. No need to add the tags. Any one will be suitable. Suppose no need to have the tag. You can use your tags. Copy the tag only for using this ID, not complete URL. Just go to your WordPress dashboard. Option called All-in-One SEO pack. You have to install this plugin. All-in-One SEO plugin. So in this one, just scroll down. Your option is called Bing Webmaster. Select it. Bing Webmaster. Paste your option and click for update. After updating, the code will be injected or not. We'll check once again, re-verify. So check here. Done my code. Now again call. Click for. Here click for here verify and this verify. Both are suitable. I'm clicking for verify. I check the HTML tag with the plugin is accept or not. See here. Done. It will be done successfully. This is a major part by your using Bing Webmaster. Without using Bing Webmaster, two search engine affect by your ranking your website. One is a Yahoo search engine, second will be Bing search engine. So this is called set up your with plugin. Without plugin, you can set up your Bing Webmaster tool.